Yo, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a must-have tool for everyone. MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Whether it's accidental deletions, corrupt files, or a damaged hard drive, today you will learn how to recover all your lost data with ease. So let's get started. MiniTool Power Data Recovery is a robust tool designed to help you recover deleted or lost data from various storage devices. It's user-friendly, efficient, and can retrieve files that seemed gone forever. So first thing first, what you need to do is to download the software from the link in the video description below. And while you are at it, don't forget to check out the MiniTool YouTube channel for more tutorials. So to do that, just go to your Google Chrome, open a new tab, and search for minitool.com. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. And here you can see all the different softwares that they promote on their website. In the menu you will find the download and click on that, and here you will find all different types of software that they have. So as you can see, they have softwares for all kind of devices and all type of files. They have good user reviews and also reviews from different kind of medias. So what we need for today is going to be the MiniTool Data Recovery, is this software here. So we need the Power Data Recovery trial. So as you can see, you can get a free trial, and also the download is free. So click on the free trial. It is the most reliable backup solution for Windows users. Click on free trial, and here you will find the MiniTool Power Data Recovery free download. Click on free download, and as you can see, the download is finished. Click on that file, and this window is going to pop up on your screen, and you're going to click on install now. Click on yes, and it's going to start downloading. Now it's going to start installing, and it will show you a guide on the website. Only 3 steps that you need to recover your lost files. So go again to your pop-up window and click on start now, and after clicking start now, you will have this window here. So here you will have some options from where you can recover from. You can recover from specific location, for example, from desktop, recycle bin, or select folder. Or you can also recover from your hard drives, your USB sticks. So that's all the options where you can recover your data from. So to test this tool, I have inserted an USB drive on my PC, and here I have a folder named Power Data Test. I'm going to create some files on it. So I'm going to create a Word file, a bitmap image, and also a text document. So what happens, for example, if I delete these files from my USB? As you can see, I'm clicking on delete, and I'm deleting these 3 items. You will assume that these files will go to the recycle bin, but as you can see, the recycle bin is empty. So these files just are lost, and you will need a tool like Power Data Recovery to recover your files. So here is my USB, and I'm on the MiniTool Power Data Recovery free edition. With the free edition, you can recover up to 1 GB of data, and you're going to select your USB drive and you are going to click on scan. Make sure you select this for lost files. Click on save. As you can see, recovery is completed and recovered 3 files. You're going to click on view recovered, and these are the recovered files. So the recovered files are on your desktop. Here on this lost files folder, you'll see your files. As you can see, you have all the files inside of these folders. Without the help of this tool, your files would be lost. This is a powerful and helpful tool for you to recover all your needed files. So I'm going to upgrade to unlimited recovery now, and you can do too with the link in the video description, so you can get a discount on that. A quick tip is always good practice to back up your data to avoid stress of recovery. Also remember that the free version of MiniTool Data has a data recovery limit, so consider upgrading if you need more. And there you have it. You have just learned how to recover all deleted files with MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. Have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. See you on the next video. Peace out.